nagira kandi nshimire runo rwaruka
I just want to thank also this youth
ariko nshimira Uncle Tim
and also thank Uncle Tim
ingene yiyumviriye guteragira imbuto nk'iyi
why he was thinking of us sowing these seeds.
gukorera mu muhamagaro wiwe
Just working in his calling.
hari byinshi yari gukora
I know he would have been doing other things.
ariko yumvira ico ubugingo bwiwe bwokora kugira ngo bubere umumaro abandi.
But he thought of what he can do with his life so that he may be useful to others. Let's clap for him.
Mpagaze imbere yanyu nk'umwana muto cyane.
I am standing in front of you like a small child.
Numvise ambassadeur agerageje kubigira birebire cyane.
I just had the ambassador made it too big.
Ntangura kwibaza igituma namuhaye amadone yose.
And then I wonder why I have given him all this information.
Yaza kumbarira ingene bizogenda sinari kuzimuha.
If you would mention how it will go, I would have not given all this information. Because all the things that I have to say, all are not on the list.
Ariko ndirata ko Imana inkunda.
But I always thankful that God loves me.
Icyo ndakirata cyane.
I am proud that God loves me.
Murabizi hari igihe abantu babona abantu aho bageze.
You know, sometimes you see a person where he is.
Mugabe ingorane wanashaka abantu tugira.
But the only problem the people we have.
Niyo kwibagira Imana yadukuye.
But we forget where God brought us from.
Abantu benshi tugira ikibazo cyo kwibagira Imana yadukuye.
Many people have the problem of forgetting where God has brought us from.
Tukibagira ko hari ibindi bihe.
And then we forget that we have other seasons.
Birato twambara. Kene mwavuze.
But the theme you have said.
Our diversity, our opportunity.
Ubutandukane bwacu amahirwe yacu.
Turi kumwe twese.
While together here.
Birashoboka.
We can.
Turi kumwe twese.
Together.
Mu butandukane bwacu.
In our diversity.
Birashoboka.
We can.